Hey everybody, this is Scott Grammer and I am the old audio guy, and here in our video we have young Mr. Ryan who is discovering the joys of certain Pioneer amplifiers. Tell everybody what you just told me.
I want to get to this one little board right here.
Yeah,
To do that, you have to take this board off.
right,
To take this board off, you have to take this panel off. To take this panel off, you have to take this off. But to
Right.
take this off, you have to take out 12 screws. But one of the screws is underneath two boards, so you got to take those out too.
and
one
welcome
panel.
to my world.
To get to one panel.
Yes, it's enough to make you want to cry, isn't it?
Oh, just a little bit.
Just be glad that this isn't the worst of the Pioneers. In my defense, folks, I did warn him this one was going to
He
be a
didn't warn
pain.
me.
And what model is this?
Oh.
An SA, is it a 9500?
Yeah.
SA 9500, that's what I thought.
Pioneer SA95.
Fantastic sounding amplifier, never intended to be repaired.
Yep.
When they work, they're wonderful. When they don't work, your technician is considering. Now, see, if I say that, I'll have to bleep that out.
You're
Or
gonna have to bleep
YouTube,
that out. Yeah, they're gonna get you.
YouTube
They're
will
gonna
throw
get
my
you.
video out. I'll have to bleep that word out. Anyway, this is what we go through so you guys can have vintage audio. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Ryan, don't cry. It's going to be all right. It's going to be okay. Honest it is. Nobody wants to see a 21-year-old man cry.
believe you.
It's going to be all right.